Here we have a beautiful 2001 Acura NSX for sale. This car has a stunningly low 60,000 miles. Covered in Silverstone metallic over black perforated leather, this iconic supercar has a very long list of tasteful upgrades to the chassis, braking, and suspension systems. This NSX will be a jaw-dropper, whether it is at your local Cars and Coffee or screaming down the front straight at your home track. All of the details about this car can be found in the description below.